Listen closely, for something is waiting to be heard. Every sound tells a story. Some out in the open, others hidden in the shadows, waiting for a chance to strike. Even as night settles into silence, a symphony stirs. And as the first light breaks, a rhythm emerges, the sound of Africa.
Sound is everything. It's what gives a scene depth, emotion, and life. Without sound, a video is just moving pictures.
Listen closely, for something is waiting to be heard.
When working on the sounds of Africa, I used over 200 sound effects, all sourced from Artlist. From the deep rumble of rolling thunder, to the wind carving through the deserts, or the piercing screams of a canoe being hunted by lions. These sounds build atmosphere and bring the visuals to life. It's not just about adding sounds, it's about how you shape them. A great example is a bird's cry in the distance. To make it feel more realistic, I apply reverb to give it space, making it echo across the landscape. Then I use a low-pass filter to soften the higher frequencies, creating a sense of depth and distance. Another part of sound design is voiceover. For this project, I wanted a cinematic narration, so I used Artlist AI voiceover tool. I chose the balanced voice, set the speed to 0.9 and adjusted the emotion to curious, which fit the tone of the film perfectly. Sound design plays a huge part in travel filmmaking, and having access to Artlist sound library and AI voiceover tool made the process a lot more easy and enjoyable. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching.